shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for November 14th, 2019. We're going to start out with the SPY, which has been riding on the 4 train, the 4 EMA, taking a dip to the 8, riding on the 4, taking a dip to the 8, riding on the 4, taking a dip. Yeah, this has been the pattern. So which way are we going to go today? We're going to be bullish above 309.62, and we're going to be bearish below 308.50 in case it wants to take a dip to the 8 EMA. All right, so that's the trade setup for the SPY. We're going to move right along to the E-minis. All right, this morning we're going to be bullish above 30.97.50 and bearish below 30.85 for that dip. Yeah, we'll see if it wants to go dipping today. We're going to look at the IWM. The Russell. Yeah, so the Russell is below those large dark pool levels, 159.07, but, and 159, that's another level that we're below. And 157.94 is just below us. Yeah, so this is going to be key to watch. Yep, this level right here. So 158. So we are going to be bearish below 157.75. Yeah, so I drew a trend line here, and it's highly probable that we could take a dip all the way down to the bottom here. So that is my trade setup. However, if we do break above here, all bets are off, and I'll turn bullish again. We could have a retracement trade as well. Actually, it's not really too much to retrace. So yeah, I'm only bullish above 159.13, you guys. Yeah, we got to go above where they were selling for me to turn bullish on this. Right now, bearish below. QQQ. Bullish above 201.50 and bearish below 250 cents. NASDAQ futures. We're going to be bullish above 82.75, bearish below 82.45. Russell futures, bullish above 15.93, bearish below 15.86. We got the Dow futures, bullish above 27.775. Yeah, this got an extra lift yesterday from Apple and Disney, but those guys are not rallying right now. So we'll be bearish below 27.680 for the Dow futures. Oil futures, wow, we just came up and hit a pivot. Hold on, let me show you. The oil futures are the best to trade. Out of all the futures that I do, these have the best record, by the way. So oil futures bullish above 57.88. That is this R1, and you can see we came right up close to it, but no cigar. We're going to be bearish below 57.50, which we are testing right now. Yeah, if we can't hold it, look out below for a retracement trade down to the pivot. Let's go to the gold futures. Bullish above 1472.50 and bearish below 1465. I'm going to get into gold in just a little bit with GLD because we did have a 1 million share print yesterday. But let's go to oil, USO. So bullish above 1206, okay, and bearish below 1187 for USO. Has not been an easy thing to trade. How could I tell? Well, let's see, choppy, up, down. There's no trend. Looks like it's ready to take a pop up here, but watch that 1206. That's going to be key. Right now, let's see, there's a little battle going on between 1201 and 1202. You can see big share size happening. So we'll see who wins that battle. Let's go to Cisco, as we call Cisco the Kid. It's our nickname for this stock. Bullish above 46.20. Had earnings. It doesn't like the earnings. But I'll be bullish above 46.20 for a retracement and bearish below 46.50 I did draw some trend lines on the weekly chart. And it doesn't look good if we can't hold here. Yeah, we'll most likely come on down. Now, usually when we're up here in the mountain and we have bad earnings like we've had, institutions will dump the second day, but we're pretty much, I don't think any institutions are in this anymore. It's been not a great stock. And we are, yeah, we're testing this lower support level. We'll see what happens. Definitely worth watching today. Bearish below 45.50. So let's go to XNet. We're going to be bullish above 537 and bearish below 512 for XNet. WB, Weibo Corporation. We're going to be bullish above 49 today for retracement and bearish below 47.50. I did send this notification out a little while ago. So for those of you that might have jumped into this trade early, however, if not, the next level down, 46.50. Watch that for an entrance on the short side. Walmart, bullish above 126, bearish below 123.50, and I also sent this out earlier. Yeah, 122.50 is the next level down. Looks like it's retracing. CGC, bullish above 18.25 and bearish below 17.25, and I also sent this out as well. Moving lower, watch the 17 level, next entry. Let's go, and there's a buyer there. Let's see if he's still there. Actually, see how I put that on the book? Buyer on ARCA. So we're on the ARCA book. Let's see if he wants to buy. I'll stay here for just a minute. There's 200 shares right now. You can see EdgeX just came in with 1,600. Cut him off at 1702. Yeah, 17 key level to watch. All right, yep. We're not going to sit here all day, but yeah, that's definitely key. Disney. Yeah, had a great pop. My traders killed yesterday, especially Steven. Awesome trade on that. Today, bullish above 150, bearish below 147.50 for a retracement trade. All right, so things just don't just go straight up. They might retrace down to the 4 EMA right here. So watch that level. We're coming up to it right now. And there we go. We just bypassed it. Okay. Let's go to GLD. We had a 1 million share print yesterday, 137.80. Big print. Yep. However, we're at an interesting spot on the chart. We hit our head on the 8 exponential moving average. That's a brick wall. We really need to break above that. Then there's our trade set up right there. So bullish above 138.75. Bearish below 137.60. If we do go down, retest the print, go below it, that's when we want to go short. Okay, so watch those two levels. NVIDIA has some pre-market action going on, which is unusual. So I'm going to be bullish above 210.20 and bearish below 207.50. AMD, bullish above 37.75 and bearish below 37. Yeah, so we had the 10 million prints on AMD, and this was a fantastic trade yesterday in the Java pit as well. So great trading, guys. And yeah, the 37 trade is a retracement if we do go below the 4 to the prints. Yeah, a lot of times they'll retest that if they do, so that's why I picked those levels. Then we have Bank of America, bullish above 33.20, and it's really high up because I want to be above the prints. We are below all the prints right now. And bearish below 32.50. Uber's got a lot of volume at the bottom, you guys. It looks like the big guys are forming a position. We had 1 million at 26.50, 400,000 at 26.49, another 400,000 at 26.25. So we're going to be bullish above 27.25 and bearish below 26.40 for a retracement trade to the prince if we do end up going there. But if we start to move up, it looks like the big guys are getting in at the bottom. I'm just going to put my email here. If anybody has any questions, Stephanie at thestockwhisperer.com. Go ahead and shoot me an email. We are finishing up boot camp class this week, our second week. It's 70 hours of all live trading. I only teach this class 4 times a year. If you are interested in the next class, yep, it is filling up. It is in February. February 10th to the 14th is the first week. We take a week off, and then February 24th to the 28th. If you'd like more information, go ahead and shoot me an email, Stephanie with an F at thestockwhisperer.com. So until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.